All right, what we're going to be doing today is disassembling and assembling a Mosin Nagant Bolt. Just wanted to show you the rifle it came out of. It's my tactical Mosin Nagant that I built off of a 9159 Action and some custom built furniture for it. So let's get over here and get this bolt out of here. We'll set the bolt down, and I want to get the rifle out of the way since it is not the star of this particular show. All right, let's see if we can get this in the frame here. Now this is the way it comes out of the rifle. As you can see, the firing pin is extracted, ready to hit the primer. It's ready to go. You know, it's the way it is in the rifle. When you have it down like this, it's just ready to fire. So what I like to do is take it and turn it this way, turn the handle to the 9 o'clock position. I grab it, and you want to pull back and rotate it to the fired position, which when you do that, the charging handle, the ridge on top will be at the 12, and this will be at the 9. Real simple from that point forward. You just pull it, and it comes right out. The guide bar and the bolt head will come right out. At this point, it's really rather simple. You take the guide bar, use it as a tool, and you simply turn the firing pin counterclockwise until the mainspring pops it out. And don't worry, it's not gonna come flying out or nothing. It's gonna make a little pop, but it's not gonna come out flying out. Take it apart, and there you have it. It is completely disassembled. Real easy to take apart. This is just to identify the parts here. This is the bolt head, the firing pin, the mainspring, the guide bar, charging knob, and bolt body. Now to put this back together, it's extremely simple. You take the mainspring, slide it onto the firing pin, slide it into the bolt body. I like doing it this way. I just push down on something hard so you can screw this charging handle back on a couple of times. Just got to get it so it won't pop off. Then you just do the reverse. Tighten it down until it stops, and I'll show you how to adjust it in just a moment. All right, so what you do is there's a couple little lines right here. Just back it off until you line them up, and that gets you really close. I'm gonna show you how to check that in just a moment. Don't know if you can see that or not. And then, real simple, you take the guide bar, and there's this little tab right there. You slide the guide bar onto that tab. Sometimes you gotta wiggle it to get it on. Turn your firing pin until you can get it on. There it is. It is almost in. It's all the way in. You then take the bolt head. There's this little groove right here, and you have to line that up with this right here. So let's go ahead and get it on. Another way to tell is there's a little knob on top. There's a little nub on top. Let's pull it back till it goes into that little channel right there. You then turn it again. I put the handle at the 12 o'clock position, and then you just pull and turn until it locks into the firing position. You'll hear it click. Then you want to check and make sure that that guide bar is still on that nub. It is ready to go back into the gun, and that is how you take it apart and put it back together. Let's do this again, and I'm going to do it in slow motion. You're going to turn it to the 9 o'clock position, turn it to the 12 o'clock position, then you're going to pull this forward, separate the two pieces if you want for cleaning. You're then going to take the guide bar, turn it until it releases. counterclockwise. And there you go, comes apart. Going back together. Firing pin, main spring, into the bolt body. Push down on something hard till you can screw on that charging handle. Just till you get it started. Turn it till it's in the, again, the 12 and the 9 position. Take the guide bar, just tighten it down. It'll stop. Then look at the marks on the charging handle. We'll take it till it's about even, which is close. Then you're going to slide the guide bar over the firing pin and onto that tab right there, just like that. You take the bolt head, look for this little nub right there, and you're going to line it up with that little channel right there. Get it on first, just turn it to whatever position you need to get it to go on. Then pull back, slide it in, so it slid in like that, and then turn it to the firing position. Check to see that the guide bar is lined up, it's ready to go back into the gun. Now the way that you check to see if the firing pin is the right length, they have these little tools, I know you've seen them all. You put it in the fired position. You take this middle, actually the second from the left, and if it just fits over it and touches the face, you're good to go. And this one is. Let's put it back in the firing position. Check, make sure the guide bar is still slid over, which it is. It's ready to go back into the gun. It's that simple. Thank you for watching. Guys, please like and subscribe. It helps me out with the algorithms, and every little thing that you do really helps. I know I'm not as professional as some of the big guys, but I'm trying to get there. Hey, thank you. Appreciate it.